The liquidity pools are the pools of tokens locked in smart contracts that provide the liquidity in decentralized exchanges. But almost all the projects offer some good plans of the pools, but in entire crypto history, not even a single coin gives you access to make your own liquidity pool. But in this video, I will share a coin which is offering best options for the liquidity providers. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
Mercurity is an open DEX platform that enables you to create and operate your own liquidity pool that trade diverse assets with anyone, anytime, anywhere. The best part of the Mercurity Finance that it is composed of a number of sub-agreement matrices, and the sub-agreements can be effectively coordinated and seamlessly integrated. Here you can see that right now Mercurity Finance MEE token is also listed on the CoinGecko, so you can easily purchase the coin. At present, Mercurity sub-agreements include the Mercurity Swap Agreement, as I showed you. And secondly, Mercurity Insurance Agreement, Mercurity Synthetics Asset Agreement. Mercurity Finance is an open AMM driven DeFi platform that provides the infrastructure for the DeFi. It is an agreement. Here you can see the social media page, so you must have to follow them if you are going to buy this token. So the best part about the metrics composed of several sets of the sub protocols: Mercurity Swap, Mercurity Lend, and Mercurity Insurance, Mercurity Synthetics Asset. Each group of sub agreements can be flexibly plugged and combined, sharing the Mercurity Finance brand, technology, liquidity, customer partner, and the community infrastructure, forming a rich ecosystem. In Mercurity Finance, anyone can create a flow pool and manage it independently. At the same time, Mercurity Finance will give each liquidity pool personalization and community autonomy capabilities. Connect each liquidity pool of the same transaction pair through the intelligent routing on the chain. Realize the liquidity aggregation and automatically provide the users between different pools of the Mercurity Finance match the best price. Mercurity Finance consists of matrix of several sub-protocols. Effective collaboration between the sub-protocols can create the unique value. For example, a stable coin. Now I will tell you a simple example. For example, a stable coin liquidity provider in swap can become an LP of Synthetics Asset Swap or an insurance agreement with LP tokens. Right now, this token is already listed on the Uniswap exchange, and the price is at about minus 31% at the moment. So if you are going to hold this token with only and only $100, you will get up to 38 MEE coins. So as per my own idea, this token will at least minimum reach up to $70 or $80 in near future. Already it reached up the mark of $9.33, I think 8 days before. So it's the best time for you to hold this token, because this token is at this time introducing new things in the market, especially for the liquidity providers. It is like a heaven for them. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.